Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with some cash commodity commentary for you. It's Tuesday about 4 o'clock. Of course, today's election day, and that's dominating the news. The stock market is up, has been up about 150 or so. It's up 120 right now. The dollar down today because of trouble in Europe. And then the energy sharply higher today. We had the crude oil around $90. Approaching $90 in December. It went to 89 and a quarter. It's 88 and a half right now. Very strong performance by the energies today. I guess people tend to think that the markets tell you what the election's going to be. We don't know, although we think that the Romney administration will win. Cotton today, very two-sided. We did get December to run back up towards resistance. It went up to 71.10, that 9-day moving average, and fell off of that, 70.30. We're still looking for option expiration, of course, come Friday, and then the supply-demand numbers to come out. Probably they'll raise the crop. It seems to us as we talk around the country that the cotton crop's getting larger and quality's improving, so that could certainly come back and be a bearish factor fundamentally. But does it really affect the price? Because we've had two or three of these reports actually that were bearish, and yet the market traded up. And almost tongue-in-cheek, we had a 79 million bale carryout on the last report, and dang if the market didn't go to 79. So kind of bizarre things happen. In the grains today, wheat certainly led the charge. It's dry out in the wheat belt. We were up double digits in wheat today, and wheat basis is starting to tighten a little bit. Ditto that for corn. Corn today traded stronger for most of the day. With basis tightening, generally the markets were up about a nickel or so. Even new crop September at 6.58 up a nickel. Beans today saw recovery. We were up in double digits there. And of course, last week we were just wanting to see liquidation by the funds ahead of the weekend and the election, and then thinking about a bearish crop report in terms of a larger corn and bean crop, still by historical standards low, in ending stock still quite tight. So I think we kind of got that out of the way. If we were to get a Romney victory tonight, I think we would have some type of euphoric push into Thursday with exports and then into Friday. So we can't rule out that the market is poised here to try, when I say the market, I mean the grains, that they're collectively poised to try to trade higher into Friday. And then we'll see. Of course, all eyes will be on South America and their crop. Their heavens is too dry in some areas, too wet in other areas. So nothing is perfect, I guess. But again, we did see recovery in some of the financials today that we like to see. The dollar down, that's good. Gold back up sharply, up $33 after getting hammered 2% Friday. That's encouraging. Copper's turned back up. Lumber's been turning back up. And so we see a chance here that the markets could collectively trade together. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.